ay grupo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Elena Sumelengo, Coach Robbie Cafort, and Keisha Pedonio of the PLDT High School Hitters who won in 4 sets against the Choco Flying Titans. Coach, congratulations on this win. Fourth seed in the quarterfinals. What can you say about the team's performance?
Siguro hindi namin best. Pero yun nga, ang daming factors eh. Baka pacing, baka alam na sure na kami sa 4 or 5. Pero hindi pwede yung ganun laro. Bawi kami this next game sa Cherry. Credits din dun sa Choco kasi gusto rin talaga nila.
Thank you, Coach. And for Lena, you played 30 points in this game. What are your thoughts on how you performed in the team's performance against Choco?
Well, it's the same. Every game I want to win, and today we not good start, but after we play how we can. Yes, and I hope next game Cherry will take win. Yeah.
Thank you. And for Keisha, isa ka rin sa mga nag-step up for PLDT in this game. Ano lang siguro yung motivation mo heading into this match na lang?
Sa akin po, yung first po talaga yung tiwala na binigay sa akin ng coaches ko sa buong game po namin. And pinakita ko lang po talaga kung anong pinag-trainingan namin and inano namin yung goal namin ng team.
Thank you. The first one.
For Keisha, gano'n lang kalaking bagay ito na binigyan ka ng chance ni Coach na Coach Steph bago mag-quarterfinal.
Sobrang laking bagay po para sa akin kasi parang na-boost din po yung confidence ko and yung pagiging pawala po ng pressure every game. Yun po.
Coach, yun nga, charity po na yung makakatapat yung kayo sa mga. Paano nyo lang pag-aandaan? Ano magiging mindset, lalo na quarterfinals na yung knockout yung game natin?
Siguro may limit na rin yung scouting and preparation eh. Siguro talagang pagandahan na rin talaga ng gising yun. Nung last game namin, brings of the game, talaga all out si Kat Bell. So hopefully sa game namin sa Tuesday, pabukasan namin kahit paano. And mag-perform din yung team ng maayos.
For Lena, you'll be facing Kat Bell again, a great import as well like you. So I guess, how will you approach that quarterfinals game? And will it be any different than any other game that you played this quarter?
I asked before, for me doesn't matter, Cadwell or another, of course Cadwell, good players, but we need show my game, not my game, my team game, yes. If we show, we don't have problem.
And for Coach, may in-expect pa po bang returning players for PLDT sa playoffs or bali same group na rin po para sa ilalaro mo po sa quarterfinal?
Si Kim Tesho lang. Wala. Same na yun. Kim di sana sabihin.
Coach, can you talk about lang yung what went wrong nung first set na nakuha pa ng Choco, yung opening frame?
Siguro coming to this game, alam nilang do or die eh. Ang malinong side namin, nag-start kami ng stiff sa mabagal. Yung normal namin laro, lumabas no second set na. So, yun yung lesson sa amin na dapat from the get-go, mabilis na agad, aggressive na agad kami. Siguro yun yung naging factor.
Coach, can you talk about choosing Keisha to play extended minutes today? And obviously, pay off naman. Yung thought process kung bakit ngayon yung mahalaga na gamitin siya?
Siguro kahit nung last conference naman, siya naman talaga yung bunot. Nung Cherry nga na game namin, bunot naman siya sa kabilang side naman, sa opposite. So, siya yung immediate namin eh. Ayaw ko rin naman na agad-agad ibigay yung mabigat na pressure with starting. Pero kung gagana naman din siya agad, yun naman talaga yung role niya, alam niya naman yun.
And last na Coach, ano lang siguro magiging iba sa knockout matchup mo ng Cherry Tigo kumpara nung nagkaharap kayo yung previous game?
Siguro nung last game namin, ang preparation namin based sa past games ni Cherry nung time na yun. Siguro this Tuesday, at least na-try na namin. So aaralin namin din yung ngayon, saka yung naging game din namin. Malaking bagay yun nung naglaro na kami. Para yung maliliit na adjustments, sana ma-correct namin.
Thank you, Coach.
Yes.
Thank you, Lena. Thank you, Tisha. Congrats on your